Hello, good evening to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can put Google News widget list view on your home screen of your Android mobile. So for example, this is my Android mobile home screen. See here, and on home screen if you observe, this widget is from the Google and it has list view. Means previously I have shown you how to put Google News widget on home screen of your Android mobile, but that tutorial is not of list view. Means we need to tap on that particular thing and it leads to Google News app, but without entering into Google News app, just with, if you want to just follow the headlines. Yes, see here, just you can scroll and you can watch the highlights, something like that, and these are getting refreshed. I have watched this. These are getting refreshed over time, and if you want more news, you can just click on it and you can go to the Google News. See here. Yeah, if at all, if you want to try this list view, you can tap and hold on your home screen, then you can click on widgets and go to the Google News. First of all, you need to have Google News on your mobile, and then you can just tap on here so that it gets added, and here you can just click on back, and yeah, you can press on this, press and hold here. You can just customize, and yes, you can do this. Yeah, that simple it was to have the list view in the Google News.